If you are a beginner in Alight Motion and you are trying to learn how graph works, then this video can help you to understand it. We are going to make these basic transitions, which I think is good for learning the basics. First of all, you have to create a new project, and after that I am going to add few images using the plus icon at the bottom. I want to change the duration of this layer to 1 second, so I'll select the layer. Now using this icon you can delete the right side of the layer, and using the other icon you can delete the left side. If you click on the center one, it will split the video into two parts. I want to delete the right side, so I will click here. Now let me quickly add the other images. After adding all the images, we are going to add those transitions, and to make them, first you have to learn how to move and transform a layer, and to do that select that layer and click on move and transform. Here in the right side you can see different options. The first one is used for changing the position of the layer. By using the second one you can rotate the layer in any direction you want, and by using the third one you can change the size of the layer. The images which I added are not fitting into the screen, so I'll just increase the size of all the images. Now we have to rearrange these layers. We have to keep every layer below the previous layer. To bring these layers down, you have to hold them from the side and then move it downwards. After that you have to move these layers one frame to this side so that the first one overlaps the second one. This will help in getting those seamless transitions. First we are going to add a zoom out transition between the first and the second clip. So select the first clip. After that click on move and transform. Here using the third option we can change the size of the image. So select it. Now here add a keyframe at the center. From here the zoom out effect will start. Now add another keyframe and here decrease the size of the image. Now if you hold this keyframe you can actually move it. So hold this keyframe and keep it at the end of the layer. So from the first keyframe the zoom out effect will start and it will end at the second keyframe. That's why we kept the second keyframe at the end. Now if I play the video, it is zooming out at a constant speed, but we don't want that. We want the zoom out effect to start slowly, and then at the end the speed should increase. So it will slowly start to zoom out, and then at the end it will zoom out very fast. And to do that we have to use graph. To use graph you have to come between these two keyframes and then select this icon here. Now you can see a straight line going upward. If the line is going upward, that means the video is zooming out. The line is straight here, so it is zooming out at a constant speed. Now if I change the graph to something like this, you can see the line is going up at the end of the layer. So now if I play the video, you can see most of the zoom out effect at the end. In the starting the zoom out effect is very less. That's because the line is horizontal here. You can see the zoom out effect in that area when the line starts to go upward. Now if I change the graph to something like this time the line is going up at the starting. So you can see the most zoom out effect at the starting. And the line is straight here at the ending. So there is very minimum zoom out effect. In simple words, if the line is going upward, the value will increase in that area, and if the line is horizontal, then the value will not increase in that area. For this transition we want the zoom out effect to start slowly and get faster at the end. So you have to make sure that the line goes upward at the end. On the last keyframe I think I will decrease the size of the image a little more. Now when this image gets smaller, there is this empty space around it. To cover it, we can add reflections. So to add that, select the clip and go to effects. Here click on add effects, and under distortion and warp you can find tiles effect. Now turn on the mirror option here, and if you are getting any lines on the sides, you can increase the crop. We have to add motion blur also, and it is very simple. Just go to effects and select add effects, and under the blur section you can find motion blur. Add the effect and adjust the amount of the effect. We added the zoom out effect at the ending of the first clip, and now we need to add the zoom out effect at the starting of the second clip. So select the second clip and go to move and transform. Here we have to add zoom out effect, so select the third option. Now add a keyframe at the center where the transition will end, and add another keyframe. Here you have to increase the size of the image so that you can get a zoom out effect. So from bigger size it is getting smaller. Now you need to hold this keyframe and place it at the starting. Now come between these two keyframes and we have to adjust the graph. So click here. In this image the zoom out effect will be faster at the starting, so we have to make sure that the curve is going up at the starting. In the previous one the curve was going up at the ending, so you get the maximum zoom out effect at the ending, but we don't want that here. We want the maximum zoom out effect at the starting, so you have to make sure that the line goes upward at the starting. So this is the first graph and this is the second one. These two graphs are one of the most used graph in Allied Motion, and you can make so many transitions with them. So make sure you practice them to understand better. We have to add motion blur and tiles effect to the second clip also, and one of the easy way is by copying the effects. Using move and transform and these two graphs you can make so many transitions. I am adding one more at the end, but there will be no voiceover as the process is very similar. So see you in the next video.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Make a wish. On my